Hi, good morning, everybody. I just wanted to post a little info about the challenge that I just went live in the group. It's going to be our daily challenge. The coupon list for emailing companies is in the files. It's in the units if you want to read about how to get coupons from companies. And it's huge. It's 220 plus different companies, and the links go straight to their contact page. So you don't have to search around and try to find out how to email them. You just click it and open it, and you fill out the contact forms. It's super easy, but it is a lot. 220 plus companies is a ton of companies. So our daily challenge is going to be, I'm going to post 5 companies every single day, and you guys should be just emailing them, just 5 of them. If you have on your internet browser where it does autofill, this should be super easy. You should be able to just put in your first name and then everything else should pop up. So you're not having to do your address and all of that every single time. You might have to fill in a couple of different optional questions. Sometimes they ask, hi, Jalissa. Sometimes they ask you optional questions about feedback, but realistically, 5 companies a day should take you maybe 5 minutes a day. And then after a few days, you're instantly going to get responses from companies saying, hey, we got your email, we're going to get back to you. So you'll see a lot of that come in right away. And then within 24, 48 hours, you're going to start to see replies. Sometimes those replies are going to be like, hey, thanks for the feedback. We don't have any freebies. Okay, cool. You're welcome. But hi, Maggie. Hi, Ashley. But then you'll start to see people going, hey, thanks for the feedback. We have your address. We're going to send you some coupons, or we're going to send you a sample. And I usually save those. I use a little tab in my Gmail folder to just save those as coupons I should be expecting. Hi, Princess. Good morning. So you'll start to see replies for those. And then, you're not going to see anything in your mail immediately. Hi, Maggie. Good morning. So you're going to just give it a minute, like in your mail, to be able to actually get something. It'll probably be a week or so. But a lot of companies, when I started emailing them, will send you links, and they're hidden links. So you can't just find it by typing, thecompany.com/coupons. They're complicated links. And you'll go and you'll just be able to download and print coupons. So, and some of those are really, really high valued. Like I've gotten like $3 off items that are usually only $5. So, I even got a couple of online coupons that go to free items. I would suggest that you download as many as you think you might use, because the expiration dates are really, really long. And if you're using different sources, then you can really print as many as you want. A lot of times they just limit you to per device. So you can print it from your computer, you can print it from your phone. If you have a spouse's computer, laptop, all sorts of different devices, you can print multiple times. And then you can also, this is a great feature, if you use Google Chrome, they have an incognito feature, and it's basically like a browser. When you open a new tab, that it doesn't show the company that you're visiting any information. It's like super sneaky. It doesn't save any cookies. It doesn't save your information, so that when you visit a web link from the incognito browser, it thinks you're visiting for the first time because it doesn't know who you are and it doesn't have your information. So a lot of times these links, it doesn't always work with like coupons.com because they have more sophisticated software to keep people from duplicating. But if I just get a link from like Heinz for a really good coupon, it's like $1 off of a ketchup, it's usually only a couple of bucks, I can just open that in an incognito browser and over and over and just print as many as I want. So, I don't eat that much ketchup, so I probably would only print a couple, but you never know. So just if you don't use Google Chrome, I would suggest you check it out. It's a really great feature just in general. A lot of times if you're searching for like airline tickets, they will not show you good prices if they know that you've been searching on the website for a while and they can see in your cookies that you've been coming back. But if you search as a new customer with your information hidden, then they don't know that, and they will give you the best, most updated price. So it's a really good feature just in general, for if you're trying to shop around, but definitely for resetting your information to print multiple coupons. So check out the challenge. I'm going to do a live that answers a bunch of questions and stuff this weekend. So go in the group and find the poll and let me know what time works best for you. It looks like it's probably going to be Sunday, either 2 o'clock or 7 o'clock. So just put your feedback in there. Let me know. If you have any topics you really, really want to hear discussed, let me know. Otherwise, actually turning on incognito. If you already use Chrome, it's super easy. When you right click a link, let me right click one right now just so I see it. Well, that's not a link. Okay. You're going to see open in a new tab, open in a new window, or open link in incognito window. You can also, if you're a shortcut person like me, it's Control-Shift-N to open a new window, or Control-Shift-T to open a new tab. But yeah, if you right click, it's going to give you the option to open incognito. Hi Deneen, hi Fong. So that's a great option for printing multiple coupons. Is you should be able to do it from your phone. It shouldn't give you any issues. When you click on your phone, I think you just have to hold it down and it gives you an option. You can also, if you're, just copy the link and then tap on the top right of your phone where you can open a new tab, and it should give you the option to open a new incognito tab or a regular tab. So you should be able to do it on your phone, no problem. But that's just a really big perk of using the Google Chrome browser. Another one is the autofill. I don't use another browser, so I don't know who else has autofill. But when I first went through this email list a couple of months ago, I emailed literally like 100 in a day. I spent just a day and I was watching a movie, and my son was keeping himself busy. And so I just went like copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. And you don't have to write a unique message for each one of these emails. They're not like, the companies are not talking to each other going, hey, did you see what Ashley sent me? Did she send you the same thing? They're not gossiping between each other. They don't know what you're saying. So as long as you have something that sounds relatively genuine, and doesn't sound like a robot wrote it, you're fine. So in the unit, I gave a couple examples. You can just tell them just a straight up compliment. Just say, hey, I love your products. You're the only one my family uses. Your quality is way better than everybody else, and we just really love you. Thank you so much for being awesome. And a lot of companies will just be like, we love you too, and they'll just throw goodies at you. You can take a more forward approach, and you can just tell them, hey, I love your company all the time. My budget is super tight. Do you have any coupons or samples that you can send me? That would be really awesome. Thanks. Or you can, if it's a company you don't use, just say, hey, you know what? Honestly, I've never used your products, but if you had any samples or coupons, that's my son. If you have any samples or coupons, I would really love them so I could give it a try. And then they're going to send you something because they want to make you into a new customer. So there's a few different ways. Just do whatever feels comfortable for you. When I sent them all out, I just said, hey, how's it going? I love your product. I'm a teacher right now. I'm being furloughed, so I have a lot of time at home. I'm shopping around products, and my budget is really, really tight right now. So I would really appreciate any coupons that you can send me. And I got a lot of contact back. I have gotten so many different coupons. I posted a picture the other day just from like one time of checking my mail, like 3 weeks after messaging everybody. I got a ton of them, and a lot of them are free items. I have like a whole free case of water. I got like $5 off makeup products, a lot of coupons that basically, if I wait until something is on sale, that I know that the coupon basically makes it free. And these coupons are really, really great because not only do they have like shiny gold foil, which is super pretty, which I like, but this one doesn't expire until Halloween. That's a long, long time. So I can just chill and wait for this to go on sale. I don't have to buy it right now. This is not like a necessity. None of these are necessities usually. I would be lucky to find a case of water to even get for free right now. Like cranberry juice, 55 cents is not a lot, but every now and again they pop up on like the 4 for 4 sale at Vons. I've seen them before. Just that's not like somebody that's like stalking coupon sales or anything. That's just like, I shop at Vons, and so I've seen these go on sale for the 4 for 4, which means that it's going to be like more than 50% off. So I'm just going to wait to use those. But the challenge is I'm going to post links 5 at a time every single day. And I want you guys to email those companies, just fill it out, shouldn't take more than a few minutes, and then comment on the post when you're done. And if you do get anything back, comment and say, hey, I got it from this company and this company. And what I can do is take that feedback and I can update the list and put little stars or some sort of notification on there that tells people that this is a responsive company. And then if there's a company that we spend, who knows, the next couple of months and everybody's emailing them and they're just not giving anything to anybody, I will probably take them off the list. That way they're not wasting everybody's time. But just because I got a no doesn't mean that you're going to get a no. And I don't want to remove a company from the list if everybody else or even some people are getting good responses from them. So let me know when you've done the challenge. It's going to be every single day, 5 companies. And then if you get anything back, post it, brag about it, cover your barcodes if you do, because I don't want anybody stealing your coupons. But yeah, let's all just get a bunch of really, really good coupons coming in. 5 minutes a day, and we'll compare and see who gets the goodies. And then don't forget, if you guys want to do the actual lesson that we're going to do this weekend, to just go onto the website, onto the Coupon Academy Facebook, and then scroll down to that post where I have a little poll, because whichever the most popular time is, that's when we're going to be doing it, because I want to be able to have as many of you guys there as possible. But because it's a Facebook Live and it's not a weird Zoom meeting. Oh, that was super weird. I really like that I can see your comments right now, because I could not at all. I was just talking to a wall on Zoom and it was really weird. So it looks like right now we're tied, Sunday, 2-7. So I'll just give it a few more days and I'll probably let you guys know on Friday when it's going to be. And then if you have any questions on there, to go ahead and ask. And then that way we'll be prepared. But I'll probably let you guys know a little bit about what we're going to talk about beforehand. And then I'll be, any questions you guys have that pop up while we're going, we'll just go ahead and answer those on the fly. So, yeah. That's it. I hope you guys have a lot of fun doing the challenge. If you come across any links that are broken, every now and again the websites are down, so you can just skip it. I did, when I was posting them, I was opening them to copy the URLs, and I did notice that there were a couple that were down, but it looked like it was temporary maintenance because the whole website was down. So just let me know. You can comment that as well, and if we have an issue, then I'll try to dig and see if I can find any new URL that works. If not, we'll just let it ride and see. But let me know too, you guys have any questions, you can always just post to the group or let me know, message me, or you can even on the units comment right on the post. That way, if there's a question that's popping up a lot, then I can go, obviously I missed something in this lesson, and I can take that and I can put it into the lesson, or I can add another category in the lesson that goes over these comments that you guys are having a lot of the times. Oh, you're welcome, Ashley. Let me know, lots of feedback, ask questions if you want to share anything that you see from other groups. Go ahead and just ask questions about that as well. And then the whole point of the group is not isn't really to post deals. It's more about teaching you guys how to do stuff. But if I ever see anything or come across a scenario where something's like basically free, where you get more in rewards than you're gonna pay, I'm going to share it. And if you have anything like that as well, you can share it. Or if you're saying you want to put together a scenario and you want to say, hey, do you think that this is going to work? Or what do you think about this? Post it, and then people will comment with their feedback saying, hey, that's actually not going to work because at Walgreens, if you pay with register rewards, you can't receive register rewards. So you'll learn little things like that, and everybody can help if you post in the discussion. So I'm going to go because my son is probably going to get antsy for another bowl of cereal soon. But check out the challenge. Let me know when you've done it. And those are going to be posted 10 a.m. every single morning. I've already got most of them typed up and ready to go. So even if I sleep in, which happens a lot lately, they will still be there for you guys. And if you want to get ahead on the list and you want to email 50 people today, go for it. When you get your stuff back from the companies and you start seeing those rewards come in, then you can go ahead and still just comment on the posts, whichever post has that company, and you can use the search feature too to just search the name of the company, and that post should pop up pretty easily because there's going to be a picture that says daily challenge that makes it really easy to find. So you should just be able to search Aveeno, and you can go to the post and be like, hey, I got a coupon for a free face scrub from Aveeno. And then I can go, they only sent me 50 cents off. What the heck? But in a nice, supportive, happy way. Okay, you guys. Have a great day. I'll see you guys this weekend and have a lot of fun learning. Bye.